Here at the Turcot, there's no typical day. Every morning I really see the work evolving. We work with many teams, but at the end of the day, everything comes together and we deliver a quality product. And it's something that always impresses me.
It's been 28 years that I'm with the company. I did start with Kiewit in James Bay. I worked on several projects out there. And also I work on several infrastructure projects like the A25 and currently the Turcot interchange. The Turcot project is probably the most complex project I've been involved. You need to build a new interchange and keep the same 300,000 vehicles going through, which is a huge, huge challenge.
We have to build the new interchange in the middle of the existing one. In order to move the traffic elsewhere, we're going to have to build temporary roads, or we're going to use permanent alignment to divert the traffic elsewhere so we can demolish the existing structure and complete the bridge deck. Also, we're building the work right beside the right-of-way of CN and CP. So we have to build between the trains, and the window we have are really short, so we're gonna have less than 30 minutes and maximum up to an hour and 15. It's amazing to see everybody that works here 24/7. Thumbs up to all the workers and our supervisor that works hard every day to maintain our schedule and make it happen.
Our number one priority is always going to be people, and we want to make sure we keep everybody safe. And it's more than a priority, actually, it's a value. Priorities change. Health and safety doesn't change. There's no compromise when it comes to safety.
What makes me proud, simply, it's what our team achieved today. You just have to imagine all the planning that is required. People are working extremely hard. There's a lot of sacrifice also. Everybody should be proud of what they've achieved so far on this project.
Knowing that this interchange will be here for more than 75 years, I know I'll be driving here with my kids. My kids will be driving here with their kids, and it's something that makes us extremely proud, and we want to make sure we deliver a quality product for the generations to come.